Janong Leaf Productions, 23 June. Sometimes the questions don't sleep. They follow you into the night. I'm looking for someone who can answer me when I ask the questions that keep haunting me. Every single night I call without a sound. Is there anybody listening? Is there anybody around? Is there someone who can hear me when I silently call? Someone who can catch me when I'm about to fall. Is there someone who can hear me? Is there someone who can see? Someone who can wipe my tears and take this fear from me. Immortal sea, I'm searching through the night. Immortal sea, Jah, lead me to the light. Is there someone who can clap when I sing quietly? Someone who can understand the soul inside of me. Someone to wipe away these naked tears I hide. Someone to tear away the fear that I've carried deep inside. Like a lion devouring a zebra, pain has sunk into my flesh. Its claws are digging deeper, leaving wounds I can't suppress. And all I'm asking for is help, just somebody to understand, to reach into this darkness and hold my trembling hand. Is there someone who can hear me? Is there someone who can see? Someone who can wipe my tears and take this fear from me. Immortal sea, I'm searching through the night. Immortal sea, Jah, lead me to the light. The death of my mother, the death of my father too, they vanish like the grass when the morning dew is true. Like grass that fades away, they disappeared from sight, but their memories remain like stars inside the night. Immortality, my mother, though your body had to go, I'll carry every memory of the love you used to show. Can you help me find an antidote for this pain inside my soul? An antidote for life's confusion, an antidote to another person. Maybe the answer is the love they left behind. Mother, Father, you may have vanished like grass that withers, but your memory lies forever. Jano, Big Productions, Immortal, seek until I find peace. Yeah, Jano. Big up, sir Nicholas D. Ramirez.